here is the app. It's called Seams Status. Seams, but social media. So yeah, it's a new trending app. On Status, your faves are your followers. Create your persona, join hundreds of different fandoms, and watch as you gain your favorite characters as followers, post with them, become famous, or get cancelled. You have been officially invited. So here you can see how it works. And yeah, this is just the new app. It's great. It's great in some virality on TikTok. And then you need to go and create your account. You can have a share code for this app. You can get a reward. I don't know where you can get it or anything, but let's just try the easy way to create an account. Select your first follower status. You unlock more characters over the course of the game. So for example, you select this character. What's your character handle? And then yeah, you will just see it in here. And then just add your handle. Write your own custom bio or select it like that. And that's basically the idea. So then you're just creating the app like your account. And then just posting it. So then you just have it like that. And so now you completed the quest. And so now you have your score changes. So great. And this is your level. And then yeah, then you just go in here, and then you can create an event. And then you can also so just have some AI prompts. Then you have your account. And that's basically the idea. Then you have notifications. So that's just what you have in here, and then you have your calendar. So this is kind of the app, yeah, again, where you're just posting statuses in here. So yeah, that's the idea. Username. You can start a new scenario. You can get more energy by reviewing them. So that's basically the app. So you just select your character, select your actions, and then whenever you do your actions, you kind of complete and add some new scores. Kind of like if you played Sims games, this is kind of similar, where you just do it kind of like playing Sims game, but it's like social media, Twitter like environment. So quite a cool idea. And you can add a lot of these new scenarios and roll out them and play them. So yeah, that's what it is.